How to apply for a Gemini credit card. First of all, open the web browser and go to the official Gemini credit card application page. Next, check if you are pre-qualified. This step is quick and doesn't affect your credit score. After that, tap on the Apply Now button to start the application process. Then fill in your personal details including your full name, address, employment information, annual income, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Carefully review the terms and conditions of the card before submitting your application. Once submitted, Gemini usually provides a decision within 60 seconds. If additional verification is required, you may be contacted via email or phone. If approved, your Gemini credit card will be shipped to your address and should arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Now you know how to apply for the Gemini credit card easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.